Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to fix the issue of zero views or low views when posting videos on TikTok. There are three main reasons for this issue. One is that your account is shadow banned, so the content you post is not displayed on the user's newsfeed. Two is that the content is not engaging enough or posted in the wrong format. And three is the device you're using. So what are the solutions for these reasons? Let's find out with Hidemyacc in this video. First, let's talk about the shadowban issue. This error is commonly seen in newly created accounts that post videos or spam interactions before warming up the account. Even older accounts, if they post content that violates TikTok's policies or exhibit abnormal behavior, are also at risk of getting shadowbanned. If you get shadowbanned, your video will not be distributed on the user's newsfeed on TikTok. To fix this, if you have a new account, you should warm up the account before posting any videos. The warm-up process has been mentioned in many of Hidemyacc's videos. The most important thing is to make your behavior as natural as possible, like a real user. Search for keywords based on the topic you want to create. Watch videos, interact with other videos, and so on. If your account keeps getting low interactions, you can stop posting videos for a few days to reset the account. If after 1 to 2 weeks the account doesn't recover, you should consider creating a new account. Note that the new account should use completely new devices, IP address, and information. Avoid reusing old devices or IP addresses because these details may also be blacklisted by TikTok. Next is the issue of posting inappropriate content. Many videos get their interactions reduced due to using music, images, captions, hashtags, etc. that are incorrect or violate TikTok's policies. You can refer to TikTok's policies via the link below in the description to understand the content rules. To attract viewers, you need to create useful videos that meet the needs of users. Here are some tips to follow when creating videos. First is use the 9:16 video format instead of horizontal videos to fit TikTok's display format. The second is focus on the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video to stimulate viewers' curiosity. Thirdly, is choose a main topic for each channel, and do not post unrelated topics on the same channel. For example, if your channel is about food, only post content related to food, not content about technology or fashion. If you post too many unrelated topics on the same channel, TikTok will have difficulty categorizing your channel. TikTok's AI will not be able to determine your target audience, and your videos may be distributed to users who are not interested in your content. Fourth, use appropriate music and hashtags. Avoid using copyrighted music and choose hashtags related to your video's content so that TikTok can distribute it more easily. The fifth, ensure that your video does not violate TikTok's policies. And finally, create initial interactions for your video. For example, use other accounts to like, share, save, and comment on your video. Also, be mindful of the timing when posting your videos. If you are targeting the US market, you can refer to the time frame below. The final cause of zero views or low views is the device. This problem often happens with people using multiple accounts on the same device. Although TikTok does not ban using multiple accounts on the same device. This is a common mistake that can lead to shadowban. TikTok might add your device information to the blacklist, causing your account to get shadowbanned and your videos unable to reach many people. If you are using a mobile phone, you can try resetting the phone. Then, change the region and language to the country you are targeting. After 1 to 2 days, download TikTok again and log into your account. If the issue persists, you can try switching to a new device and creating a new account. Hidemyacc has provided a detailed guide on how to create a TikTok beta account in these 2 videos, which you can refer to. Apart from using a phone, you can use an Antidetect browser with proxy to create and manage multiple TikTok accounts. This method is safer and more effective than using multiple accounts on the same mobile device. Because each Antidetect browser profile has its own parameters, and TikTok will recognize them as different devices. Besides these 3 common errors, you can also check some other settings on your account. For example, whether your account is public, if there are comment restrictions, and so on. In conclusion, to avoid zero views or low views, you need to invest in video content. Avoid posting content that violates the policies. For new accounts, make sure to warm up the account properly before posting videos to avoid shadowban. If you found this useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss Hidemyacc's latest videos. For any questions, feel free to leave a comment or contact the Hidemyacc support team through live chat for quick assistance. Wish you success, and see you in the next videos.